How to install Windows 11 24H2 on unsupported hardware. So if you want to install Windows 11 24H2 on unsupported hardware, then just follow the steps. First, you need to go with the official Windows 11 website, which I'll be putting the link in the description. So you just need to simply click on the link and it will take you to this kind of page. From here, you can simply go with download now and your Windows 11 24H2 will be downloaded. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And once it's installed, you just need to simply go and mount the image and go to the sources folder. You need to hold the shift key and right click a blank space. Then select the open PowerShell window like this. And once you open the PowerShell window, you need to type cmd, which is command. After typing cmd, you need to enter a command which is setupprep.exe/product server, and I'll just put this command in the description. You just need to simply copy the command. And after entering, you need to hit the enter and follow the on-screen instructions in a new window. You need to note that although the setup screen shows Windows Server, you are still installing a regular edition that matches your current SKU. So you'll get this kind of interface. It will start deinstalling. And after that, tap on next and that's it. So that's how you can install your Windows 11 24H2 on unsupported hardware. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.